Hello friends, welcome to my channel Career Intent. Today I will be discussing about the revised syllabus of the GATE 2021 for Electronics and Communication. Its code is EC by IIT Bombay. I will tell you what are the new topics added in 2021 and what are the topics completely removed from the syllabus of 2020, and will compare both the syllabus for you to get a better idea of topics in each section. Basically, GET consists of 8 sections: engineering mathematics, network, signals and system, electronic device, analog circuit, digital circuit, control systems, communications and electromagnetics. So let's start step by step comparison according to each section. So first section is engineering mathematics. This is revised topic 2021 and the topic in 2020. So linear algebra and the calculus, they have the same subtopics. There are no such change. Even the differential equation, vector analysis, complex analysis, and the probability and the statistic, they have there are no any changes. The main changes in 2020, there was numerical method topic, right? They have completely removed in the latest syllabus, that is in the revised syllabus of 2021. So this to be noted. This numerical method, solutions of nonlinear equations, singles, no any subtopics, they have been added in the 2021 syllabus. Next is second section is network, signal and system. So almost the syllabus is same. The circuit analysis, whatever the theorem you used to study previously, that will be same, right? Linear two-port network parameters, bi-delta transformation, even here it is present. The main part is they have removed FFT, means that butterfly diagram. You need not to worry about that, right? Even in the updated syllabus, they have removed the digital filter design techniques. Just say basics, right? And even they removed the realization direct from cascaded. This is a major difference here. In 2020, F50 was present, and here there is no F50. They have completely removed from the syllabus of network, signals and systems. Then comes a section 3, that is electronics device. Here they have been updated with these topics like equilibrium, carrier concentration, direct and indirect band gap semiconductor, carrier transport. Subtopics they have kept same, which was in 2020. And here this integrated circuit fabrication process like oxidation, diffusion, ion implantation, photolithography and twin tube CMOS process, they have completely removed in the revised topic in 2021. So this should be noted. Then comes a section for analog circuit. Here the diode circuits will be same. The major part they have been updated, means removed, is they now in 2021 gate, it will not have the topics such as sinusoidal oscillator, criterion for oscillation, no wave shaping circuits and 555 timer related questions will become, and voltage reference circuit, power supply. So this topic has been removed in the updated syllabus of 2021 in analog circuit. Then comes a section 5, that is digital circuit. Here they have the syllabus is same, right? The major difference is they have added the new topic computer organization, in which it includes the machine instructions and addressing mode, ALU, data path and control unit, and instruction pipelining. The part which has been removed from 2020 is 8-bit microprocessor, 8085 architecture, programming, memory and IO interfacing. So this is the new part which you have to study, right? So in digital circuit, other other subjects and the subtopics will remain same, whatever it was in 2020, right? So the next section is control system. There are no such changes in control system. The topics, subtopics will be same, right? So no update in control system subject. Then comes the section 7, communications. Here the revised topic. Here they have removed the timing and the frequency synchronization, ISI interference, right? Inter-symbol interference, which is ISI, and its mitigations, basics of TDMA, FDMA, CDMA. Right, here they have been replaced with CRC, cyclic redundancy code. So this is the updated part, right? This be a small topic. Otherwise the syllabus same as in 2020, same syllabus is there in 2021, just we have to focus on CRC. Next, last section is electromagnetics. So this so there are small changes. The syllabus will be same. The Maxwell equation is present in 2020, right? So even it is present in 2021. Plane waves and properties, transmission line, these topics will be same. The included part is rectangular and circular waveguide, right? So this circular waveguide, they have been included in this revised syllabus, and basic of radar has been completely removed in 2021. So this were the comparison between the revised syllabus of GATE of 2021 with the syllabus of 2020. Hope this video is informative for you. So start preparation for the GATE. Do like, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell button for upcoming notification. Thank you.